Unlock your health potential. Learning to identify root cause number 4. Micronutrients deficiency. Micronutrients consist of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They are necessary only in very tiny amounts. However, they are essential for your body to work properly. Micronutrients work in tandem with macronutrients to keep the body functioning and are crucial in maintaining energy levels, metabolism, cellular function, and physical and mental well-being. With billions of people worldwide consuming inadequate levels of micronutrients critical to human health, micronutrient deficiencies are one of the most common forms of malnutrition globally. Each deficiency carries its own health consequences, including anemia, impaired cognitive development, stunted growth, and increased susceptibility to infections and chronic diseases. Following is a brief overview of micronutrients and their major functions in the body. A cursory look at these functions can demonstrate the devastation your body may experience from any long-term deficiency of one or more micronutrients. Vitamins are organic substances that are obtained from dietary sources. Vitamins are generally classified as either fat-soluble or water-soluble. There are 15 vitamins in total, and 10 of these come from the B group of vitamins. Different vitamins serve different purposes and contribute to different bodily functions. Water-soluble vitamins, C and the B-complex vitamins, dissolve in water upon entering the body. The body uses them immediately, and any leftovers are excreted in the urine. Vitamin B12 is the only exception, as it can be stored in the liver for many years. Water-soluble vitamins are found in abundance in watery foods, such as fruits and vegetables, and in the watery components of grains, nuts, seeds, and animal products. They can be destroyed by heat or exposure to the air. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, are absorbed by the body with fats in the diet and can be stored for future use in fatty tissue and the liver. The body does not need these vitamins every day. This means you can potentially end up with toxic levels if you oversupplement. The body can be deficient in fat-soluble vitamins if fat intake is too low, or fat absorption is compromised by drugs or diseases that interfere with the absorption of fat from the intestine. Fat-soluble vitamins are found mainly in fatty foods, such as animal fats, butter, oils, dairy foods, liver, and oily fish. Getting enough essential vitamins is necessary for many reasons, including keeping your bones healthy. Vitamins A and D help maintain healthy bones throughout the body. Vitamin D also aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, both of which strengthen bones and teeth. Boosting the immune system. Many vitamins aid in the production of different cells in the body, including white blood cells, which fight off infection. Vitamins A, C, and D all assist in boosting the body's immunity to keep you healthy all year round. Producing collagen. Vitamin C is responsible for building collagen, which is necessary for healthy skin, teeth, blood vessels, and wound healing. Collagen is also necessary to keep skin firm and youthful as you age. Providing energy. Many of the essential B vitamins aid in the production of energy. Vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, and B7 all help cellular energy production to boost you throughout the day. Building cells and proteins. Folate plays a critical role in the formation of red blood cells and the production of DNA. Vitamin B6 also aids cell production and metabolizes amino acids, which multiply to form proteins. Aiding in metabolism. Vitamins B5, B7, and B12 all aid in metabolism, which helps you manage your weight and gives you other nutrients your body requires. Metabolism also helps give you the energy you need to do everything you love. Minerals are tiny sparks that form the connections between the endocrine, nervous, and immune systems and your microbiome. They are essential for your body's ability to work properly, grow, develop, and maintain optimal health. We don't manufacture essential minerals in the body. We get them from our diet. These minerals come from rocks, soil, and water, and they're absorbed as the plants grow or by animals as the animals eat the plants. Without optimum mineral levels, essential processes in the body will not function properly, and energy, nerves, immune health, and hormone production will all reduce. Minerals are divided into two categories: macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur, are a group of essential nutrients required by the body in relatively large amounts to support vital physiological functions. They play crucial roles in maintaining bone and teeth health, regulating fluid balance, supporting nerve and muscle function, and aiding in energy production and metabolic processes. They are found in nuts and seeds, cruciferous vegetables, organ meats, eggs, beans, cocoa, avocados, berries, and dairy products. Trace minerals: chromium, copper, iodine, iron, manganese, molybdenum, selenium, and zinc, are a group of minerals that the body needs in tiny amounts, usually less than 100 milligrams per day. Unlike macrominerals such as calcium and potassium, which are required in larger quantities, trace minerals are necessary in minute amounts. Yet, their impact on health is significant. Trace minerals serve as cofactors for enzymes, meaning they activate enzymes that regulate various biochemical reactions. These minerals are essential for growth and development, metabolism, immune support, and bone health. They are found in dandelion greens, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, broccoli, eggs, avocados, berries, spirulina, and quinoa. Phytonutrients are chemical compounds that plants developed as defense mechanisms against germs, pests, and environmental toxins. Plants also use them for coloration as hormones and as chemical messengers. Scientists have been busy studying these tiny compounds and so far have discovered more than 100,000 different ones. Humans and animals cannot synthesize them. Diet is the only way to get them. Phytonutrients are responsible for the color, hue, scent, and flavor of fruits and vegetables. They are also the source of these foods' phenomenal nutrition. Phytonutrients work together in synergy just like an orchestra. Some help your cells communicate better with each other. Others help prevent mutations at a cellular level. Some are anti-inflammatory, while others are potent antioxidants. They have many functions we are only beginning to understand. Phytonutrients help prevent disease and infection, are anti-aging, boost the immune system, and generally promote health and wellness. When you eat a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, herbs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, you get plenty of phytonutrients. The best-known phytonutrients are polyphenol, flavonoids, and carotenoids. Polyphenol are the largest group of phytonutrients, with more than 8,000 types. Research strongly supports that polyphenol have a role in preventing degenerative diseases, particularly cancers, cardiovascular diseases, and neurodegenerative diseases. Polyphenol are strong antioxidants that complement and add to the functions of antioxidant vitamins and enzymes. Among their many benefits is their ability to control gene expression, specifically the genes that control inflammation. Polyphenol can be found in fruits such as apples, blackberries, blueberries, cantaloupe, cherries, cranberries, grapes, pears, plums, pomegranates, raspberries, and strawberries. In vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, celery, onions, and parsley. And in nuts, we find them in almonds and walnuts. Other sources include most legumes, green tea, olive oil, dark chocolate, and red wine. Typically, fruits and vegetables with darker skins have higher polyphenol levels. Flavonoids are found in almost all fruits and vegetables. They are a subset of polyphenol and come in more than 6,000 known types. Some of the best-known flavonoids are quercetin and camphorol. They are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. Epidemiological studies provide growing evidence of the versatile health benefits of flavonoids. Many are shown to have antioxidative activity, free radical scavenging capacity, coronary heart disease prevention, and anti-cancer activity, while some flavonoids exhibit potential for anti-human immunodeficiency virus functions. Fruits, vegetables, tea, and wine are the main dietary sources of flavonoids. Carotenoids are found in almost all fruits and vegetables, algae, and bacteria. There are over 600 known carotenoids. Beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, lycopene, and astaxanthin are the most common. They are powerful antioxidants, protecting against cellular damage and the effects of aging. Carotenoids are crucial for eye, skin, cardiovascular system, and male reproductive health. They are found in orange, yellow, and red fruits and vegetables, such as carrots, tomatoes, pumpkin, spinach, sweet potatoes, and cantaloupe, as well as dandelion greens. Micronutrients deficiency can occur when the diet is restricted or inadequate, as in anorexia nervosa, fasting, or a vegan diet, or when the diet consists of high-calorie, low-nutrient density foods, such as processed foods, that are low in essential vitamins and minerals. Inability to digest and absorb essential vitamins and minerals from food due to gastrointestinal disorders, chronic diseases, age-related decline, or certain medications can also contribute to micronutrient deficiency. During certain conditions, such as pregnancy, lactation, or in cases of chronic diseases, the body requires more essential vitamins and minerals than usual, which may also lead to deficiencies. Rapid loss of essential vitamins and minerals due to diarrhea, vomiting, or excessive sweating can also contribute to micronutrient deficiency. Micronutrient deficiencies can have severe and far-reaching consequences on human health, affecting various bodily functions and systems. The most common nutrient deficiencies in the U.S. are calcium, essential fatty acids, folate, iron, magnesium, and vitamins A, B12, C, and D. Each one of those nutrients plays critical roles in bodily functions and overall health. Some of the most significant symptoms and conditions associated with micronutrient deficiencies are anemia, cognitive impairment and brain damage, impaired growth and development, reduced immune function, and increased susceptibility to infections and metabolic disorders. as well as increased risk of mortality. Following is a brief glossary of micronutrients. It includes key functions of each nutrient, as well as symptoms of deficiency and best dietary sources. You are welcome to take screenshots for future reference. Vitamin A. Vision health, immune function, cell growth and development, antioxidant activity, reproductive health, bone health and skin, hair and nails health. Vitamin B1. Energy production, nerve function, glucose metabolism, heart and muscle function and digestive function. Vitamin B2. Energy production, antioxidant activity, healthy skin and hair, thyroid and adrenal function regulation, iron metabolism, and protein, fat and carbohydrate metabolism. Vitamin B3. Energy production, antioxidant activity, immune function, digestive health, nerve function, gene expression and skin and hair health. Vitamin B5. Energy production, fatty acid synthesis, antioxidant activity, digestive health, nerve function, hormone production and skin health. Vitamin B6. Amino acid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, hormone regulation, thyroid function, immune system function, red blood cell formation, brain development and function, and gene expression. Vitamin B7. Energy production, gene regulation, nerve function, enzyme function, fetal development, and skin, hair, and nails health. Vitamin B8. Fat metabolism, thyroid function, and skin, hair, and nails health. Vitamin B9. DNA and RNA synthesis, cell growth and development, neurotransmitter synthesis, antioxidant activity, skin health, reproductive health, and cardiovascular health. Vitamin B10. Healthy skin and hair pigment, red blood cell formation, protein synthesis, thyroid regulation, and digestive health. Vitamin B12. Energy production, nerve function, red blood cell formation, brain function, DNA synthesis, and skin, hair, and nails health. Vitamin C. Collagen formation, antioxidant activity, immune function, iron absorption, healing of wounds and maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. Vitamin D. Bone development and maintenance, immune system regulation, calcium and phosphorus homeostasis, cell differentiation and proliferation, inflammation regulation, cardiovascular health, and cancer prevention. Vitamin E. Antioxidant activity, immune function, nerve function, blood cell health, gene expression regulation, and cell protection. Vitamin K. Blood clotting regulation, bone and connective tissue health, heart health, energy production, and gut health. Calcium. Bone health, muscles function, nerve function, blood clotting, and heart rhythm. Chloride. Proper fluid balance, stomach acid, electrolyte balance, regulation of secretions, and maintenance of blood pressure. Magnesium. Uptake of calcium and potassium, muscle and nerve function, heart health, immune function, enzyme reactions, blood sugar regulation, mood, and sleep. Phosphorus. Bone health, energy production, kidney function, DNA and RNA synthesis, cell membrane structure, muscle function, endocrine function, and nutrient absorption. Potassium. Nerve function and signal transmission, muscle contractions, fluid balance, protein synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, and blood sugar regulation. Sodium. Blood pressure regulation, nerve and muscle function, fluid balance, and electrolyte regulation. Sulfur. DNA synthesis and repair, metabolism, skin, tendon and ligament health, antioxidant activity, and gene expression regulation. Chromium. Carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism, insulin function, glucose metabolism, cardiovascular health, and brain function. Copper. Red blood cell production, iron absorption, connective tissue maintenance, antioxidant activity, nerve function, brain development, energy production, and cardiovascular health. Iodine. Thyroid hormone production, brain development and function, regulation of metabolism, and healthy fetal development. Iron. Oxygen transport, production of hemoglobin, metabolism, immune function, enzyme systems, and hormone production. Manganese. Antioxidant activity, bone health, brain and nerve health, metabolism, enzyme activation, immune function, and wound healing. Molybdenum. Enzymes and a catalyst for amino acid breakdown. Selenium. Antioxidant activity, thyroid hormone metabolism, immune function, DNA synthesis and protection, protein synthesis and folding, cardiovascular health, cognitive function and neuroprotection, and hair, nail, and skin health. Zinc. Immune function, wound healing, fetal and adolescent development, digestion, thyroid function, blood clotting, vision, taste, and smell.
Imagine discovering that the real power to heal has been inside you all along. Introducing Unlock Your Health Potential. This groundbreaking guide reveals how to move beyond chasing symptoms and instead uncover the true root causes behind your fatigue, mood changes, chronic aches, and other long-standing conditions, so you can finally experience the lasting relief and vitality you deserve. This book is a treasure trove of practical information. It offers the guidance and confidence you need to take charge of your well-being, break out of the vicious cycle of declining health, and rebuild the vibrant life you deserve.
To summarize, micronutrients consist of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They are necessary only in very tiny amounts. However, they are essential for your body to work properly. They work in tandem with macronutrients to keep the body functioning and are crucial in maintaining energy levels, metabolism, cellular function, and physical and mental well-being. Vitamins are organic substances that are obtained from dietary sources. They are generally classified as either fat-soluble or water-soluble. Minerals are tiny sparks that form the connections between the endocrine, nervous, and immune systems and your microbiome. They are essential for your body's ability to work properly, grow, develop, and maintain optimal health. They are divided into two categories: macrominerals and trace minerals. Phytonutrients are chemical compounds that plants develop as defense mechanisms against germs, pests, and environmental toxins. They are the source of fruits and vegetables' phenomenal nutrition. Phytonutrients work together in synergy just like an orchestra. Some help your cells communicate better with each other. Others help prevent mutations at a cellular level. Some are anti-inflammatory, while others are potent antioxidants. They have many functions we are only beginning to understand. The best-known phytonutrients are polyphenol, flavonoids, and carotenoids. When you eat a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, herbs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, you get plenty of phytonutrients. If you are experiencing or have been diagnosed with anemia, gastrointestinal issues, neurological disorders, fatigue, weakness, general aches and pains, mental state changes such as depression, irritability, and poor concentration or skin disorders, you might be highly deficient in micronutrients. Remember, suppressing a symptom may ease your suffering and help in the immediate moment, but it never gets to the underlying cause. This approach does not take into account your body's natural self-healing mechanisms and causes long-term dysfunction. Thus, it is best to think why, how, and mechanism of various conditions, rather than focusing on the condition itself. Looking for tips and strategies on how to confirm and resolve this root cause? Our book, Unlock Your Health Potential, offers a comprehensive guide for how to confirm, address, and resolve the 24 major root causes discussed in this video series. For immediate actions you may take now to kickstart your healing journey, check our Master Your Health in 8 Weeks program. We hope you enjoyed and benefited from this short video. For a list of supporting references and resources, check this video description below. Please remember to like and share this video. May you achieve your health goals and experience joy, resilience, and optimal health.